Hi, welcome to Harry's World of Words and Phrases and English in a Minute. Today we're looking at the use of as soon as. As soon as is a conjunction and it's used when something happens immediately after some other event. As soon as I get home, I will give you a call. As soon as your father gets home, he will talk to you. As soon as I get to work, I will finish the report. Okay, so something happened immediately after something else. It's really important when you use as soon as to use it with the present tense, the present simple, okay? As soon as I get to work, so present tense. As soon as your father comes home, present tense. You can then follow it with future. As soon as your father comes home, he will talk to you. As soon as I get to work, I will call you. But when you use as soon as, always with the present tense. It does have a past format, and when you use it in the past to refer to something that happened in the past, do please use the past simple or the past perfect. For example, as soon as he had called me, so past perfect. As soon as he got to work, past simple. Okay, so you can use it in the past and you can use it in the present. So that's the conjunction as soon as. And as always, subscribe to our channel and join us on www.englishlessonviaskype.com, and we'll catch up with you very soon.